Hello there everyone, so in this recording we're going to go through a ALICE structure across the whole sort of crypto market has changed and now looking ever more bearish. So in terms of ALICE, it's at a very key point or key level on this chart. So if it's able to hold, we should see a nice spike up somewhere up and into this sort of region up here. However, if we get a break and a close beneath, we've got the current level that's at, and then we've got this level just here as next support. If prices break and close beneath this second zone over here, expect prices to come all the way down to basically the lowest sort of levels that it has ever been to. So currently it's at the 200 moving average as well as this key zone that we've just touched on. So we could see a little break of the 200 moving average on the daily, little spike down to the second zone as you can see on our chart. Hopefully it can wick up, gain a bit of support and strength with liquidity, making a push back up somewhere into this region over here. If that is not the case, or even if that's the case, so if we get a break, I'll show it on here. So if we get a break down here and a push back up, but test this 200 moving average on the bottom end and then makes a move down back into this sort of zone down here. So that's one of the scenarios that we could see. Another scenario is a push down here and a push all the way back up to sort of this level over here, where we see it push back down, testing this key level here, and then a push back up. So that's the second scenario. The third scenario is where it is currently now. It's fails, so it fails to break this 200 moving average as well as this key zone and just makes a move back up. So we could see a test of this 50 moving average sooner, or so we could see a 50 moving average test and then push back up, or a 50 test, a fail of this support level, and just a straight rise up into this level over here where we see a pullback and then a continuation. So those are the scenarios as of now. Obviously volume isn't really strengthening, so one thing to keep an eye on is the volume and changes in volume to kind of give the indication as to which side of the coin is strengthening, as well as which sort of side of the coin that strengthens to, giving us an earlier or maybe a little bit more of a prolonged push to the downside or to the upside. But as things sort of stand as of now, they're not looking exactly fantastic, so we're going to probably expect a sell-off. So yeah, sell-off down into these sort of zones over here. Obviously this wicks has now been filled up. Could see a little bit more of a filling up and a squaring up of this level just down here. But again, so this is sort of the formation that's forming. If we get a break beneath here, expect things to kind of sort of snowball effect and gain momentum moving down. So if we get a break and then a pickup in volume, expect this move to come down here quite sharpish and quite quickly. So expect this week or well in the next 2 weeks for a very large move to occur, if not sooner. So yeah, that's sort of what's going on with ALICE at the moment. So we've got these levels that have just popped in now. So we've got a short-term resistance just here as well as here, and then we've got sort of these levels just here. So we've got this level as well as this level here that will hold a little bit of resistance, and then If things continue to look a bit more bullish, expect these two levels to be the next ones to act as resistance. But again, as things sort of stand, things aren't looking great. Things are looking like they're going to break out of this sort of formation and come down lower. So just expect selling off to continue. Unless we can see a large spike in sort of the total crypto market cap, where we're seeing new investment coming into the market. But yeah, that is it from us on Alice. We are bringing out a full market update with all the new fundamentals that are kind of in play in the world right now in our YouTube update tomorrow. So make sure to keep an eye out for it and check it out. But that's it from us. Take care, guys.